Good morning, children. I am Kesan sir, working as mathematics teacher in Dr. Vincent School. Up to now, syllabus I have explained. Today onwards, a revision session will be start. So, today onwards, revision session. Children, you have to prepare for examinations. Now, this is revision. What is our topic today? Shapes. Topic shapes. So in this revision, multiple choice questions we will discuss. So first of all, multiple choice questions. Multiple choice questions. Okay, children. So multiple choice questions. The first one: how many endpoints does a line segment have? How many endpoints does a line segment have? Does a line segment have? Okay, so we know that what about the line segment? Suppose this is the one line segment. So this is line segment to AB. This is line segment to PQ. This is line segment to CD. Observe here, any line segment have how many endpoints? 1, 2. Two endpoints. How many endpoints? 1, 2. 2 endpoints. How many endpoints? 2 endpoints. So, how many endpoints does a line segment have? So, what you have to answer? Answer is 2 line segments. How many line segments and how many endpoints for a line segment? So, 2 endpoints. Clear, children? I hope you understood very well. Note down, children. So, this is the first one. Okay? Next. Next, question number 2. Concentrately, you have to listen, otherwise you cannot understand. If you listen concentrately, easily you can attempt the question. See, next to second one. Is read as. Okay, so this is how we can read. Okay, ray AB. What is this? So this is ray AB. Okay, children. Suppose in the same way, another question. Is read as. What we can say? This is ray CD. This is what? Ray CD. Suppose another question. Is read as. What you can say? So this is ray PQ. So this is the way we have to answer. Okay children, I hope you understood very well. Next one more question I will explain you. Children, note down this. See, in the multiple choice questions, options will be given. You have to choose which option is correct. But I am not telling options. Why? Because it will take more time. Directly, which is correct answer? That correct answer only I will explain. So please observe this one. Clear, children? Next, one more question. Up to 4 questions I have explained. Next, fifth one. See, is read as, how we can read? So what you can say that this is line xy. So answer what? Line xy. The same question is read as. So what you can say? This is line AB. Okay. Next. Is read as. What you can say? This is line CD. Okay children? So this is the way you have to answer the following questions. Okay children? Next. One more. Which of the following is an acute angle? Okay. Next, which of the following is an acute angle? Is an acute angle. So first of all, option A 100 degrees, option B 60 degrees, okay, option C 90 degrees, option D 180 degrees. Children, observe here which option is correct. Which of the following is an acute angle? So 100 degrees, it is not acute, it is obtuse angle. 60 degrees, it is acute angle. 90 degrees, it is right angle. 180 degrees, it is a right angle. So which option is going to be correct? Option B is perfect answer. It is only correct. So what we have to write here? Option B is the correct one. Okay children? So like this. Next, one more. The same question. Now Which of the following is an obtuse angle? So observe here, this is what? Obtuse angle. So answer what? 100 degrees is the obtuse angle, 60 acute angle, 90 right angle, 180 degrees right angle. So what you have to write? 100 degrees is the correct answer. So answer is A. Clear children? I hope you understood very well. So 9 questions I have explained you. Clear children? This is also note down. Okay. So these are practice questions. Okay. Not same like same questions you will not get. Model only I am explaining you. These are the model and sample questions. Please try to understand, and in similar way you will get the question paper. Just you have to answer it. Understood or not? Okay, na? Children, note down this one. Next, which of the following is an right angle? Children, observe here. This is the question now. Which of the following is an right angle? So, what is the measure of the right angle? 90 degrees. So, answer. So, which option is correct? Option C is the correct one. So, you have to write option C here. Okay, children. Next. The same way, one more question. Which of the following is an straight angle? Which of the following is an straight angle? So straight angle is what about the measure of the straight angle? 180 degrees. 180 degrees. So which option is correct? Option D is the correct one. So right. Option D is the correct one. So this is the way you have to answer. Okay, children. I hope you understood very well. Children, note down this one. Next. Which of the following is an complete angle? Okay. Option A 100 degrees. Option B 90 degrees. Option C 180 degrees. Option D 360 degrees. Which of the following is a complete angle? So what about the measure of complete angle? 360 degrees is the measure of complete angle. So which option? Option A wrong, option B wrong, option C wrong, option D is the correct one. So you have to answer option D. Option D is the correct one. Okay children, so this is the way. Now you have learned what about acute angle, obtuse angle, next to straight angle, right angle, complete angle. Okay, the same question one more I will ask. Which of the following is zero angle? Okay, then what you have to say? Option A 100 degrees wrong, option B 90 degrees wrong, option C 0 degrees correct. So what about the measure of zero angle? 0 degrees is the measure of zero angle. So answer C. Is it correct one or not? Yes. So you have to answer this one. Option C is the correct one. So this is the way you have to answer. Okay children, next. Next one more. The angle between the angle between the directions north and east is an north and east is an dash. See, we know that this is east, this is west, this is north, this is south. So actually these are the directions. Now north and east, yes, north and east. Okay, so this is north, this is east. So now observe here the angle. We have to find out the angle between the directions. Observe here, what is the measure here? Exactly 90 degrees. 90 degrees. That means which angle it is? Right angle. So which angle it is? Right angle. So is an dash. So answer is we have to write right angle. Right angle. Okay children, so this is the one. Next, one more question. The name of this angle is okay, dash. See, so you have to write angle BAC, correct one, or angle CAB also correct one. Any option you can choose. This is also correct, this is also correct. If both answers are there, both is the correct answer. Suppose option A, this one, option B, this one, option C, both, option D, none. So which one you will choose? A correct, B correct. So that's why both is correct. That's why what you have to write here, option C is the correct one. Children, observe here, angle BAC, this is correct one. Angle CAB, this is also correct one only. Children, I hope you understood very well. Note down this one. Children, next to the figure formed by two rays with the same initial point, with the same initial points is called a dash. So what is the answer? Angle. The figure formed by the two rays. This is one ray. This is one ray. The figure formed by two rays with the same initial point. This is the same initial point. So what is this one? This is an angle. Okay, children? So next. So this is my today's class. I hope you understood very well. So what is today's homework? Children, you have to practice shapes. Okay, workbook. Concept 1.1. Okay, children, this one you have to do practice. I hope you can do very easily. Thank you for listening. Thank you, everybody.